Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. It's a very fun, very purpled look, and I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette to do it. So if you want to see how to get this look right here, just keep on watching. So first I'll be going in with the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm going to dip my brush into this berry shade right here. Tap off the excess.
Hi, it's me, your girl. I just want to deeply apologize about how monotone I sound throughout this whole video. I swear I don't hate my life as much as I may come across. This is just my first video and I was super nervous, so bear with me here. Alright, so let's go back to the video. Bye.
And just start working this in my entire crease. And right below where I put that color, I'm going to go in with this kind of fuchsia looking color to pat my brush in there and go directly under it. I'm going in with the same brush just because this look uses pretty much similar colors, so you don't really have to keep dipping in a different brush the whole time, which actually makes it a lot easier. Now on the other eye, I'm going to start doing the exact same thing. After that, I'm going to go into this deep purple shade right over here, and I'm going to work this into the outer corner. Do the outer V and bring it into the crease. And again, I really like to go in with the same brush again, just because it still has like remnants of the previous shades, and so that way it's even easier to blend because you have kind of a mix of all the colors there, and then there's not really going to be any harsh lines, which we don't want. I'm going to go back into that first berry shade right here. I'm going to combine this one with this fuchsia shade, and I'm going to go over where a little above where I went to the purple, just to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. Now, with the flat shader brush side of it, of the Anastasia brush, or any flat shader brush that you may have, I'm going to go into this light, it's not quite lilac, is it lilac? Like a neon lilac? Sure. With the neon lilac, we're gonna put this shade all over the lid. So we're just going to take that, place it all over the lid here. I'm going to go back into the fluffy side of it and just make sure everything's well blended. So any areas that I see have little harsh lines, I'm just going to kind of buff that out, and in the areas where I think the color has faded, kind of retouch as well. So I'm basically done with the eyelids for right now. So what I'm going to do is get started on my face. So with that, I'm going to start with the Estee Lauder The Illuminator Primer. Just grab a little and work it into my face. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I actually really love this foundation and it's so affordable. It's honestly my favorite drugstore foundation. I'm gonna work that in with a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm in the shade 202 Creamy Natural. For concealer, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Fair Neutral. To set that, I'm going to take the RCMA No Color Powder and just set my whole face with this. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to do a mixture of both the fuchsia color and this berry shade. Just going to dip into both. And then just start working that into the lower lash line right there. I'm kind of connecting the corners between the dark purple and the fuchsia and berry shade. And then again with the same flat shader brush, I'm going to go in with this deep plum shade again. And I'm going to get this as close as I can to my lash line. And again, connecting it with the purple that was already here. Just gonna connect those two. And this one I don't really bring in all the way. I just kind of bring in halfway. Or 3/4. Now, for the inner corner, I actually just take my pinky finger and I'm going to dip into this vibrant yellow. Kind of stamp that in, and this is going to be our kind of pop of color and this very kind of monochromatic cohesive look. It's just going to be the pop of color. You could do this with a brush, but I feel like you get the best payoff with your pinky finger. For my brow highlight, I'm going to take this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter and Beverly Hills, and I like a little really frosty brow bone highlight, so I'm going to take a mix of this kind of champagne color and the white. Now the thing about Ofra highlighters is that they are so pigmented, and so you will definitely see the color payoff. So if you don't like an intense highlight, I don't recommend any of the Ofra ones. But if you like your highlight to be seen from space, then get an Ofra highlighter. Now for the inner corner, I know we did the pop of yellow, but I like to pop in a bit of the champagne color too. Just pop a little bit on top. For the rest of the face, I'm going to go in and bronze up my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Love this bronzer. As you can see, I have used it a lot. And just gonna go in and bronze up my face. I'm using the Real Technique sculpting brush. And I really like this for both powder and for cream contours. For highlight, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. Love this highlight. And I'm going to take my Morphe Y14 brush. I love this brush for highlighting. It really does a good job of just packing on that highlight. And picking up all the pigment. To finish up the eyes, I'm going to go in with this Essence I Love Extreme Waterproof Mascara. Honestly, you can leave the look like this just with mascara, but I personally like to take it another level and apply falsies on this. So the falsies I'm going to take are Cecile by the House of Lashes Sephora collection. Just gonna pop those on off camera. This is the completed eye look with falsies. Now to finish up the whole look, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Lippie stick with the shade Cami, and it's Matte X formula. Now to elevate this look even more, I'm going to apply a gloss over it. So I'm going to take the MAC Dazzleglass in the shade Goldyrocks. So that completes this look, guys. I really hope you liked it. I really love this look. It's very fun, it's very vibrant, and it's super simple to do. All you need is one brush, really. And if you have brown eyes, this is the perfect look for it. It really makes those brown eyes pop. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. Tell me what else you want to see from me. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Of course. Stupid bitch.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hi, Mita. Now to elevate this look even more, I'm going to put the MAC Dazzleglass lip gloss. Where am I? Did you even block? No.